Oh, hey. Hey guys. I'm Bella. I'm gonna be starting a YouTube channel. So hopefully you like my vlogs. I'm gonna be doing vlogs. I have a daughter and a boyfriend, a husband. So yeah. I don't know what I'm really gonna do right now. But later on, I'm definitely gonna bring more exciting videos. Oh yeah. I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background. It's my dad. He's over. So yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. So my niece is here. My sister's daughter. Her name is Nalia. Hi, Nalia. Say hi. 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 So yeah. And I'll show you guys my daughter. Her name's Gracie. Focus. Sorry, I can't talk right now. Gracie! What, Mom? Come downstairs. What? Oh, here's Gracie. Gracie, these are gonna be our family. Well, not necessarily our family, but yeah. Guys, that's Gracie. Hi. So yeah, today we're gonna be, the girls are going to be getting into a slime bath. Look at it. This is slime. See? Hopefully it doesn't get in my hair. So, yeah. Nalia, why don't you go first? Oops. Come on. Okay, I'll be right back when she gets in the bath. Okay, she said that she's able to. So let's go ahead and watch her go in. Oops. Do you need help, honey? No. Okay. Cannonball! Oh no. Does that feel good? Kind of. Okay. Oh, it's like quicksand. Okay, Gracie, are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Don't get your hair in it. Please. Because I don't want to clean it. I will if it does, but I would not like to clean it. Cannonball! Ew. You're so weird. Told y'all. So, this is so gooey. Yeah, good luck getting out because I'm leaving. Just kidding. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much all we have for you today. I'm sorry it wasn't such a big vlog, but thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye. Oops. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'll just do till next time. Bye.